guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Sheila, and today I want to show you our goat farm. Entering through this door, we have very amazing goats in here. Let me show you as we go inside.
Tag along.
All know we all rear goats because of getting milk, and some you use it for meat. As you can see, waking up in the morning, the first thing that you have to do is to milk our goats. We always milk 7 of our goats. They are female, so we milk them, 7 of them, and you know the production that we get is around 10 liters or 9 liters in the morning. And so we have to also to feed their let me call their babies. So what you get is really around 9-10 liters. I know some of you will say it's a little production, but let me tell you, when they feed very well, they can surpass the production that I have said. It can also go to 11 liters, as you can see. And you know, the goat milk, the advantage of goat milk is that it's really thick, and you really don't use, it's not like the cow milk. For this, their milk is so strong that you can even use the 1 cup even 2 days. Yes, if you are alone, because it's very thick. As you can see, now we are milking them. Sasa hizo nini vile umeziweka hapo sasa haziwezi toka? Sasa nini ina ndume tu ni moja kwa hizi zote? Sasa ndio na reproduce hizi zingine. Sasa itazaa watu wenye wanakaa kama ama hizi kutoka kwa boma moja?
Kutoka huyo mama yake hayuko. Hiyo kutoka birika hiyo.
Sasa hizo ndogo ndogo na zikianza kunini? Kuzaana. Zikianza
hizo siku tunamaliza miezi 3.
Unazitransfer?
Yes, naomba.
This is where we put their feeds. As you can see. Okay, as you can see, we put their feed inside these drums. So that's why we have a lot of drums. And the reason why we have these drums is to make sure that the feeds are properly kept and they cannot rot. You know, when you keep these things in a moist place where there is a lot of water and you have not closed the drums, or maybe you have put in some leaves, it will rot. Hizi zinanga majina hizi goats. Nasikia moja ni Rose. Huyu ndio ako na jina peke yake. Huyu ndio anaitwa Rose. Then you have this one. You have a lot of goats. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Tunaziwekea chakula. Sasa hizo hajaziwekea chakula, but here is where they put their feeds here. So in the morning we have to clean the place, then later on we have to put their feeds inside here. Yeah, this one has just 0 grass. They don't move outside, they only stay here. And now we give it food from this place. You can see this one, the way it's so aggressive. What are you doing? Then tuko na pusi hapo pia paka. Then their man is here. The man in the house of the yeah. Kuna hizi zingine hapa pia. You can see we have a lot of them. This is where we store the feeds. As you can see we have a lot of them. Tutaziweka hapa. Then tunafunika. Unaziona vile ni mingi. Tunazifunika so that they can eat later on. So the importance of us putting the feeds here is to make it sure that haijaingiwa na maji, and it's also well preserved. Yes, so that it can be able to stay for a long time for our goats. We have, these are their mothers. We have other goats. Let me show you. Okay, the little goats stay here. They stay alone here. So you have to ensure that they are safe. So anytime you have to ensure that they are safe. So you have to keep on checking if they are well. So friends, you want to feed them with milk. Huwa tunazikunyisha maziwa kama watoto. So and you have to know each one of them so that you can be able not usisahau hata mmoja when you are giving them milk. As you can see, they want to kila mmoja anataka kunywa hiyo maziwa. Utajuaje ni hiyo sasa ila saki? Aina? Aki wananyonya kama watu wadogo but wako greedy. Niyo bado?
Kila mmoja kunywe chupa moja moja.
Oh. Huyu amesha kunyishwa. Huyu ako na next on the line. Ikunyishe na hapa Silas na niweze kuona. Huyu si atakufa. Huyu sako na alama mbadi kwa mapua huko. Una vile zinataka zote. There are a lot of them, almost 10 goats. Usinyamaze baba. Inanikula kidole onawa. Nalalia hizo kuku zenyewe. Okay, feeding for these kids is done every morning and evening, and they have to drink almost a half a liter of milk every day, 2 times per day. So you have to feed them. They really don't take directly from their mothers, so you have to feed them individually, one by one. Yeah. Okay, after we have finished milking them, so they can relax. As you can see now, they are jumping on top of things. They are just happy. As you know, like goats really like to stay on top of things, and this is what they are doing. And now they have just put food feeds for them. And you can see this blue thing, that's salt. So for your goats to be healthy, for your goats to be just okay, you have to feed them with good balanced diet. Again, you have to get a good feed for them, store them well, clean their room, give them salt, give them water, wash them each and every time. Yeah, just to ensure that they are okay, to ensure that they are healthy. Once in a while, call your vet just to check on them, to check on their health, and make sure that even you have the way you build these houses, just ensure that the goat's legs are well. Just ensure that hazijakoma mahali zivunjike. You have to be careful. You should get somebody to look on them. You can see now we are giving them a little bit of unga. Give them unga. Their unga you can get them from Agrovet. You can see give them salt, as I've said, and good feeds, good silage for those who know. Then store them well. I repeat, store them well. Nimshai. Yeah. Na mandevu. Kwani mbona mbuzi wako na ndevu? Si alikuwa hapo asubuhi.
Ukimlazimisha ndio atakataa kabisa. Nakataa na hapa hawezi kataa.
Ni amazing. Ameingia.
Watu chini Simba.
Sita lakini unajua wenye wamesaa hapa ni watu watatu. So hao wengine
Ni mbuzi tatu, si watu.
mbuzi tatu, yes. Lakini sasa hao wengine ni kujaribu kuwatoa watu sababu watoto wake ni hapo kwa chini. Hao wengine ni hapo kwa chini.
Sasa unajua mbuzi mtoto alafu urudishe. Mbuzi inaachilia maziwa jina Daniel mtoto bora anaenda.
Lakini inafatana venye kule wamesoea. Naona hapa. Hii hapa inafatana na kukula. Kuna masaya. Kuna mwenye hajapata. Hata saya ana kati hapa. Saya ana kati.
Ati nini mazi watoto? Lazima tu wakunyishe.
Sio lazima.
Unaweza tu zipea zinyonye for 6 months. Okay. For 3 months. Not 6 months, for 3 months. Okay, you have to clean their place. You have to clean the space where they sleep. You have to clean them and make sure that the place is very clean so that you can avoid ugonjwa, some bacteria. So it's good for you to clean the places every day to make it dry. Yeah.